Hey Chad, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you a quick educational video on how to optimize your online presence and website. You're probably asking why I'm studying this. Well, I've realized recently that small business owners are so busy running their business, taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will choose to take this information and do it themselves, and some people will contact me. Either way is fine. This is just to educate you and help you out with a easy attack plan. So I'm going to be going over three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to be going over the content on your home page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you have. There's probably around 300 or so words on your home page. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition and number of keywords needed, as content is key to Google and it gives you authority as well. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I'm looking for a flooring company in Athens, Georgia, which I know is the town next to you guys that you also serve near. And this is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. The first thing that pops up here are these Google guaranteed local ads. And these are really great for high conversions. They have a high conversion rate of around 40 to 60%. Below that we have the Google Map Pack here, where 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses to do their service. And below that we have the organic search results, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the first page to do their service. And below that, usually on the top but here at the bottom, are Google ads, and these have a 5 to 10% rate where consumers will choose one of these as well. So looking at the organic search results, number 1 spot is Lewis Company Floors, and I went ahead and brought up their website here. This is their website, and they're doing some really great things I wanted to show you guys that you guys can also do. So looking at their content, they definitely have more words, a lot more content on their home page throughout different areas. And they have around 800 words or so on their home page. So not the recommended amount, but they do have a lot more words, which allows them to also put more keywords throughout. So for example, they've got flooring store servicing Athens, Georgia. That's a great buyer intent keyword. Athens, Georgia flooring store, that's another one. Flooring store for Athens, Georgia, that's another one. So they have them throughout their headers and also throughout their content. So you definitely want to do that as well. Alright, so I wanted to show you this page program here called Eris that I use to evaluate websites. So we have 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you or pointing back to your website. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting those that are relevant to your industry and the services you offer and from local websites are ones that will work the best. So looking at one of your competitors, Lewis Company Floors, they have 31 referring domains pointing to 574 backlinks. Looking at your websites and how you're doing, at Hartwell Flooring Center, you guys have 23 referring domains pointing to 925 backlinks. Now, you guys do have a more quantity of backlinks, but when I was researching the quality of backlinks you guys have, only around 30% of those backlinks are quality backlinks. Having a high percentage of spammy backlinks or not relevant backlinks is actually a red flag to Google, and that can actually hurt your website more. So you definitely want to get rid of a ton of those spammy backlinks and have more quality backlinks. And with that being said, with Lewis Company Floors, because they have higher quality backlinks, they're able to rank on those Google search results easier, and they also have a better trust rating with Google as well. So you definitely want to focus on those quality backlinks and quantity backlinks. Alright, so we went over content and backlinks. Next, we want to go over citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. The citations help you rank in the map pack here. which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like Yelp, AG, Better Business Bureau, hundreds of others out there. Social media accounts are good too, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you, and once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So when I was also researching for a flooring company in Hartwell, Georgia, you guys also came up first on the Google Map Pack, which is great. And you guys came up first here on the organic search results. However, you also want to rank for all the cities that you serve as well, or you're not going to show up. So for example, like Athens, Georgia, you're not showing up here for that. With that being said, even though you guys are number one for Hartwell, looking at the traffic you guys are bringing in, you're only bringing in 16 organic traffic. So only 16 people per month are actually being brought to your website. And that can be due to a couple of factors. Number one could be due to the lack of keywords you guys have that are buyer intent. They're not buyer intent. You guys only have 22 organic keywords. And looking at those, not a whole lot of them are buyer intent keywords. So you definitely want to have a ton more of those out there, such as, let's see if there's hardwood flooring, Spartanburg, South Carolina. I'm not sure if this is one of your service areas, but if it is, this is a good one to keep if you guys serve that area. This is a good example of a buyer intent keyword where 70 people are looking for that per month. You definitely have a ton of these kinds of keywords throughout that are location service specific because you guys don't have a whole lot. And because you don't have a whole lot of those buyer intent keywords, you're not being found for a lot of the services that you should be found for to get that real traffic to your website where you guys can get some more revenue, since you'll be contacted by those people looking for your services. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason is your content. I'm going back to those keywords. You want to rank for a lot of those location-specific keywords. Another way you can do that is with location pages, with some of those keywords as well to capture some of that organic traffic. Those are just a few things that you guys can do. So going over just once again, quick recap. You want to have more content throughout your home page and all of your sub pages as well. With a ton of those buyer intent keywords. You want to have really high quality and a good quantity number of backlinks. You want to focus more on those quality or get rid of those backlinks that are not relevant. And you want to have more citations as well, so you guys can keep your top spot in the map pack for Hartwell, Georgia, and also strengthen your authority with Google. Alright, well I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback and I hope you have a great day, Chad.